The Islamic University of al-Madinah, al-Munawarah, Arabic, DE9, D%3 Dej, DJF, DEFH1, was founded by the government of Saudi Arabia by a royal decree in 1961 in the Islamic holy city of Medina. It follows the Salafi ideology which is prevalent in Saudi Arabia. It received institutional academic accreditation without exceptions from the National Commission for Academic Accreditation and Assessment in April 2017. Women and non-Muslims cannot study at the school. Academics. Islamic science colleges. University students may study Sharia, Quran, Usul al-Din, Hadith, and Arabic. The university offers Bachelor of Arts degrees and also master's and doctorate degrees. Studies at the College of Sharia Islamic Law were the first to start when the university opened. The admission is open to Muslims based on scholarships programs that provide accommodation and living expenses. The university also provides an Arabic language for non-native speaker institute for those who do not have a basic level of Arabic. Exact science colleges. In 2012, the university opened science colleges for the first time. Students may study in engineering and computer science majors. Students are expected to finish a preparatory year program before entering any of the science programs. Colleges and institutes. Faculties. Faculty of Arabic Language. Faculty of Computer and Information Systems. Faculty of Science. Faculty of Engineering. Faculty of Sharia. Faculty of Quran and Islamic Studies. Faculty of Hadith and Islamic Studies. Faculty of Dawah and Usul ad-Din. Institutes. Institute of Teaching Arabic Language to Non-Native Speakers. Dar al-Hadith al-Makkiyah. Dar al-Hadith al-Madaniyah. Schools. Secondary School. Intermediate School. Alumni. Abdulaziz al-Harbi, member of the Academic Board for al-Qura University. Abdul Ghani Kusuba, politician from Indonesia. Abu Amr Yasser Kadhi, professor, Islamic scholar and author. Atiq Ahmed Khan, politician from Jammu and Kashmir. Bilal Phillips, Salafi lecturer from Canada. Ehsan Ilahi Zahir, scholar and author from Pakistan. Fiz Mohammed, Lebanese-Australian preacher. Hidayat Nur Wahid, chairman of the Indonesian People's Consultative Assembly, 2004 to 2009, Islamic scholar with pluralism view. Ismail Ibn Musa Menk, Grand Mufti of Zimbabwe. Mishari Rashid Al-Afasi, Kuwaiti Qari and Zero Mam. Maqbul bin Hadi Al-Wadiri, founder of Dar al-Hadith al-Damaj in Damaj, Yemen. Rabi al-Madkhali, former lecturer and department head at the university. Saeed Abu Bakr Zakaria, leader of Anbariya Sunni community in Tamale, Ghana. Safir Rahman Mubarak Puri, scholar and author. See also. List of universities in Saudi Arabia. References. External links. Official university website, English and Arabic. Official website of the university's British students, English.